Hello everyone, welcome to my individual reflection presentation. So these are four main ideas that I would like to deliver in this presentation. Move to the first part, setting the stage. So SMART goal. In our collaboration with 6 members, we tackle 2 assignments, a presentation and a brand report for introducing a new brand to Vietnamese market. Our team has established SMART goals for each assignment. For the presentation, we need to complete all the content and task requirements 2 days before the presentation day to allow for a rehearsal day to address any issue. And for the brand report, we need to finish all the requirements before the deadline 1 day prior, and it does not require any rehearsal. We can then allocate more time to research and organize the submission file. By adhering to this SMART goal, we ensure clear task definition, measurable milestone, feasibility evaluation, and adherence to strict deadline. So we use many tools to approach to SMART goal. The first one, due to challenges of managing work and academic responsibility simultaneously, we adopted a flexible meeting method to ensure everyone can participate effectively. Online meetings have become our go-to solution, like Google Meet, for their convenience and accessibility. Next one is meeting minutes. During each meeting, we emphasize the importance of capturing essential details to keep everyone informed and on track. This approach helps us to stay organized, accountable, and aligned toward our shared goals. In order to ensure deadlines are met and that all essential documents, links, and material are organized effectively, I have developed a personal tracking system. Within this system, each subject is assigned its own section with distinct deadline and associated assignment. This ensures that all necessary documents, research material, and design components are readily accessible and properly managed. I also maintain detailed notes regarding meeting schedule, location, and online meeting links. This allows me to efficiently allocate my time, stay ahead of deadline, and effectively manage my workload. For a group, it's easier and time-saving to find a document or any link relevant to the group assignment. Move to the next part, reflection. The first one is personal reflection. As a third-year student at Swinburne, Vietnam, teamwork is a recurring aspect of every semester. As a third-year student at Swinburne, Vietnam, teamwork still makes me feel nervous. This is because teams often comprise individuals with diverse talent, each possessing the skill and experience. Consequently, in each team attempt, members may need to adapt their role to suit the group objective and dynamic. Understanding and always updating weakness and improving strength are significantly essential, whether working in a team or not, because it is the key to success. I test the MBTI every year and the result is ENFJT, which means I'm a protagonist, which strongly support me in identifying strength and weakness. First one is about my strength, energy, and humor. Personally, I find that my high energy level bring enthusiasm and vitality to the team. My dynamism help uplift morale, motivate others, and foster a more relaxed and enjoyable working environment for everyone. This assignment is quite hard and including many difficult parts with deep research, so the energetic and funny joke sometimes make our members feel relaxed and chill. Second one is the receptiveness. I pride myself on being receptive for feedback, idea, and perspective from my teammates. Being open-minded and adaptable allow me to embrace different viewpoints, leading to more innovative solutions. During the meeting, all of my team members can raise ideas and significantly discuss with any scale or board because I always listen and motivate them to talk. I try to harmonize most of their ideas, which show them that their idea and opinion are listened and respected. Talk about my weakness, overly empathetic. While empathy is important, I may struggle with making tough decisions or providing constructive feedback, as I prioritize avoiding conflict over expressing issues directly. The next one is time management. Balancing work and study commitment, especially during the demanding academic periods, poses a challenge for me. This struggle occasionally leads to delayed attendance. I feel so sorry about it to make my teammates, and thankfully that they always have a warm-up with brainstorm while waiting for me. Next one is my role in team. So with the identifying of strength and weakness, I suppose myself as a coordinator in a team according to the 9 built-in team roles. The coordinator plays a crucial role in coordinating all tasks for the team, serving as an individual with an overarching vision and perspective. They oversee the entire workflow and ensure cohesion among team members, facilitating effective collaboration and task allocation. In my role as a coordinator within the team, I see myself as a leader. I take on the responsibility of decision making and providing direction, growing from my overarching vision and perspective. It's a position that demands strong organizational and coordinational ability, along with the capacity to inspire and motivate others toward our shared objective. On feedback from all the team members regarding my contribution, I believe that I have leveraged my strength and addressed many of my weaknesses effectively. Throughout the project, I have been proactive in exchanging information with team members via Messenger, regularly updating them on new information and assisting members when needed. I always add if there is anyone that has deadline for another subject that wishes to have less tasks or later deadline compared to others. Of course, I need to check the evidence. I acknowledge that my academic skills are still somewhat limited, particularly in financial analysis, but I have made extra effort to contribute more to the creative aspect of our marketing strategy and to improve my presentation skill. Despite having limited free time, I have consistently attended team meetings and ensured that we met the deadline promptly to avoid compromising the group performance. I am confident that I have made valuable contribution and worked professionally with other team members to achieve the goal we set out to. So next one, what I have learned through this experience. From this team experience, I've gained valuable insight into my strengths, weaknesses, and areas for personal growth. Firstly, I recognize my strength in communication, organization, and leadership as evident by my role as a coordinator within the team. I've also identified my ability to adapt to different roles and responsibilities within the team dynamic, contribute to effective collaboration and task allocation. However, I also become aware of certain weaknesses that have impacted my performance during the team experience. One area of improvement is time management, particularly in balancing work and academic responsibility. Moving forward, there are several actions I would take differently based on my reflection from this team experience. I wish my team would have more offline meetings. Online meetings offer benefits such as increased attendance rate and efficient information sharing through the scene sharing. However, they also pose challenges due to distraction, with researching showed that the average person might wander 47% of the time. Social media is a major distraction during online meetings, affecting focus and task retention. Offline meetings should have been prioritized, accounting for over 50% of all meetings, and for online meetings, participants must keep their camera and microphone on at all the time, and each member is responsible for finding a quiet location. By reflecting on this learning and taking proactive steps to address areas of improvement, I can continue to develop as a team member and leader in the future. Let's move to the last part, how this experience influenced me. I actually work at the agency, and for me, communication, choosing teammate, and evaluation are the three important keys. First one is effective communication. According to Chart 4.1 in the Soft Skill for Business Success report, communication is identified as the most common skill in business. As the youngest member in the company, I believe that effective communication and information delivery should be polite but assertive, striking a balance between being respectful and not over-submissive. And I still struggle with this sometimes, but after more professional experience, I believe that I can approach it soon. Next one is choosing team member. So to foster a strong team dynamic, each team member should also be in harmony with themselves. Given my personality, I prefer working with someone who is steadfast and logical, since I tend to be more emotional and intuitive. Having a logical teammate would help create a balance and optimal team performance. The last one is evaluation. Evaluation is a crucial step that should be undertaken after every project. It allows us to assess the project success, identify areas for improvement, and recognize the contribution of team members. By conducting a thorough evaluation, we can gather valuable insight that will help us enhance future projects and strengthen team dynamic. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening and see you soon.